perhaps coming up in the week ahead. At the moment it's fairly quiet. We have very few isobars across the country. We've got a little bit of a ridge of high pressure, so it's quiet and settled, but that of course does mean to say fog and frost. And then we pack in the isobars later on in the week. They're running in from the west, so it gets more unsettled, it turns milder, and there'll often be weather systems such as this one here, that one there, bringing some outbreaks of rain or possibly even some sleet or snow across the country. Another important change throughout the week is that the frost goes. We've had hard frost. We're going to have some more hard frost tonight and into tomorrow, but then after that, you see, we are into the green shadings, temperatures above freezing, except a hint perhaps of some frost coming back to northern parts right towards the end of the week. Now at the moment in the west there is a fair amount of cloud. A lot of it's thin, just making the sunshine hazy, but there are some showers in the northwest there, more definite rain into the Channel Islands, fair amount of sunshine in the east, and central and eastern parts will have a sunny afternoon. But there will be these showers in the west that tend to percolate a little bit further southwards as time goes on. The rain in the Channel Islands eventually moving away, and rather on the cold side, 6 or 7 degrees. Those temperatures tumbling tonight. Once the sun goes down, there's going to be some freezing fog. There'll be a widespread frost, although near to the west and even into the Norfolk coast, there could well be some further light showers, so the temperatures there will hold up. And then that ridge of high pressure with us on Monday. It means to say most places will have a fine day, a good deal of hazy sunshine, some fog patches lingering, clouds spilling into the far west, though late on some rain into Ireland, and again rather on the cold side. Now that front's going to move across the country on Tuesday. It'll be a slow, painful progress, I think, but it will bring some cloud and outbreaks of rain, perhaps some sleet or snow, more particularly over the hills, across most parts, and it's going to be quite a miserable sort of murky day too, and still rather on the cold side. Eventually that front fights its way across to the east, another one though following along behind for Wednesday. So again, I think we're going to find there'll be a good deal of cloud around. It will be milder, temperatures will have crept up, but it's going to be a murky day and a dampish one. I think we're going to find some outbreaks of rain scattered around the country, light and patchy for the most part, some heavier bursts of rain though possibly in that northwestern corner where it'll still be windy. And then an active weather system moves down across us on Thursday, quite a deep area of low pressure into the North Sea. So a spell of wet and windy weather moving across the country, brighter weather following along behind with blustery showers, and still quite windy into Friday with showers chiefly in the north and west. That's all. A very good afternoon to you.